Let's calculate the indefinite integral or antiderivative of secant of x. Download the corresponding PDF using the link in the description so you may follow along. The trick to this antiderivative is to multiply the top and bottom by secant of x plus tangent of x. So let's do that. Secant of x plus tangent of x over secant of x plus tangent of x. So we're not changing the problem at all. Then we'll distribute the secant in the numerator. That will give us secant squared of x plus secant of x tangent of x all over secant of x plus tangent of x. Now from here, we'll do a u substitution. U equals the denominator, secant of x plus tangent of x. And as always, we'll calculate the differential. Du equals the derivative of secant of x is secant of x tangent of x. The derivative of tangent of x is secant squared of x. We calculated a differential, so we have to attach dx to the right side of the equation. And from here, we solve algebraically for dx. So du over secant of x tangent of x plus secant squared of x equals dx. And now we can start rewriting our integral using that substitution. Integral of secant squared of x plus secant of x tangent of x over. Now the denominator was our u, so we'll replace that u. And dx is what we solved for in the last step of our substitution. So dx is equal to du over secant of x tangent of x plus secant squared of x. And as we always hope in a u substitution, we have some cancellation. This numerator will cancel with this denominator. And we have a much simpler integral. The integral of 1 over u du. Now this antiderivative we know. This is the natural log of the absolute value of u plus c. And as always, if we start with x, we need to end in x. So our last step will be to back substitute our original substitution. That leaves us with the natural log of the absolute value. And our substitution was secant of x plus tangent of x. And then we'll include our plus c. As always, you can check your answer by taking the derivative of this expression and seeing that you do in fact get back to secant of x. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more math tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments or join us on Discord. Links are in the description. See you next time. God bless.